Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. I am Damini Saxena. In today's session, we are going to cover the final revision of Cognizant Gen Z Round 2, which includes both aptitude, gamified round, and technical assessments. This round is crucial and often a deciding factor in your placement journey. I will be walking you through the important topics, patterns, and strategies that will help you crack the test with confidence. We will also solve a few game based aptitude questions like the one shown on your screen. To give you a real example, like practice, stay with me till the end for a complete smart revision. If you have successfully cleared the round one, the communication skills assessment, congratulations, guys. It's time to focus on the round two, the aptitude assessment, which is a crucial step in your cognizant selection journey. I will also demonstrate a few sample aptitude questions, especially from areas like data interpretation and visual reasoning and aptitude topics, which many students find challenging. Stay tuned till the end. This session is designed to help you prepare smartly and confidently. So, let's start. Let's start with the first part of round two, that is the aptitude section. In this section, aptitude 30 questions to solve in 30 minutes. Start with just 1 minute per question. It's all about being fast and accurate. The question will be based on topics like percentage, averages, profit and loss, time and work, and many more, and basic algebra, right? All things you have already studied. These questions are not too difficult, but they are concept based. If your basics are clear, you can score well here. Focus on revising the important formulas and practicing solving quickly. That's the key to cracking this part. Yeah, next part is game based assessment. The second part is really so interesting. It's a game based cognitive assessment. Here you will face 4 mini games, and each testing how fast and logically you can think. There will be a total number of 24 questions in 24 minutes. Now don't worry, these are not video games, game like format. Let me quickly explain each one. so First is switch challenge. You will ask to find the correct order or sequence based on logics, and gap challenge. You will see a pattern or sentence with something missing, and you have to find the missing piece using deduction. And the motion challenge, you need to plan a path or move an object from one place to another following certain rules. And these are the bonus puzzles that check how quickly you adapt to new patterns. The best part, it's like solving brain teasers, what you stay focused and fast. Difficulty is moderate, but bit of practice, you will get easily crack it, right? so the I will show you some sample questions of aptitude. Those who are facing of the those students who are facing these questions, this is a sample question of aptitude, and I will show you a visual aptitude question like this. This is a visual aptitude question as shown my screen. As you can see, we have and the one more thing, you are given the distribution like this question. Let's look at a real visual aptitude question. You are given the distribution of students across 5 sections and the boys to girls ratio. Question: in how many sections is the number of girls more than boys? You will solve it by calculating the students count using percentage and light all. This is a moderate level question, it's just check your understanding. This is the sample question of visual aptitude. Many of students are facing this question, right? Yeah. so the next is the third part is technical assessment. Now comes the final and most important part, the technical assessment. This round checks your coding skills, database knowledge, and web technology basics. Here what you will face, you will get two coding questions. These are mostly based on programming logics, things like working with strings, arrays, printing patterns. The level is easy to moderate, but you can use your preferred language like Java, Python, C, C++. You will have in the next, you will have two SQL queries. Here the table structure called a schema, and will be given. You will have to write queries using select, join, or group by to get the required data. And lastly, there's a web tech task. You will given a simple web page filter with HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So your job is to make small changes to that page based on the output shown in the question. So for example, changing a color and fixing the layout, or adding a button that shows a message. So don't worry, it's not very tough. It just make sure you revise the basics of front end development and SQL. Yeah. So you can refer to our if you want to save your time and confusion, so I will be show you one thing. Yeah, so as you approach the final phase of your cognizant preparation, it's a perfect time to strengthen your concept with a quick and focused revision. We have designed a cognizant crash course based on the latest exam pattern to help you revise effectively and smartly. So it includes aptitude game-based questions and recorded session for coding and SQL, Wave and Cloud Basics, topic-wise practice sets, and detailed solution to previous year questions. So whether you are brushing up on the fundamentals or doing a final check before the exam, so this course brings everything together in one compact package, and the best part, it's available at very affordable price, so that every student can benefit. So check out the link in the description and begin your final revision journey with this confidence. And if you want to save your time and avoid confusion, so this course will help you prepare a smart and focused way. So if you are finding gamified question, game based aptitude question and trigger, so in that video we have got you covered. You can refer to our detailed YouTube video that walks you through the solving actual gamified questions step by step. So watch it down, the link is description. Yeah, so thank you so much.